This video discusses the steps to properly mask for primer application. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. Reverse masking or primer masking is a technique used to eliminate a hard line when priming a repair area. The first step in primer masking is to clean the repair area with an appropriate wax and grease remover. Next, tape the masking paper 6 to 12 inches from the repair area and flip the masking paper back to protect the adjacent area. After reverse masking, apply plastic overspray sheeting to protect the remainder of the vehicle. Using a razor blade, cut an opening in the overspray sheeting to expose the repair area. Use 1.5 to 2-inch masking tape to secure overspray sheeting to masking paper. The repair area is now ready to prime. Refer to the paint manufacturer's procedure for primer application.